Hello, so here I'm going to be talking about the Bad Bank app for the MIT full stack program that we had to launch. I chose to launch my app using Netlify, which was a program that was introduced to me by one of my friends. He mentioned it's easier to manage, and in my opinion, it was much easier as well. So to get started, here's the link that I have already posted. And we're going to start by creating an account, and we can name it, we're going to have to register to the bank, and the name of the person can be Mary Smith. Then we have to register an email, and we go marysmith@gmail.com, for example. We come up with a username, 123, oh sorry, it's actually Mary Smith. That can be her username. And finally, we're going to set up a password, 1234567 just for an easy password that's easier for us to remember. So, enter submit, and we are allowed to go into the bank. Once we are in the bank, we're going to have to, we see the main page. Here we see Jose's Bank, and here's the logo, bank logo. And then we're going to go ahead and create an account. So we go to home. This is the home page, right? Welcome, Mary Smith. We have already created the user. We go to accounts and we click on new accounts. We're going to choose an account type. We have checking or savings account. So in this case, we're going to start with checking because it's the first part. And I'm going to click submit. Here we have created an account. And now we are going to deposit some money in the account. So the amount can be $100. Description can be salary 1, for example. And we are going to deposit $100, and here we can see them. This is our checking account, and here we can see the deposit that we have just made. Now we are going to withdraw some money, and when we're going to withdraw $50, and we're going to say it's for the supermarket for the month of August. I'm going to click submit, and as you can see, the balance has moved down back to $50. Now, if we want to check our movements, we can go to our account, and here we can see all the data. Here we can see all the movements. Here we see the ID for each movement. We can see the movement type, the description that we wrote, and finally the amount for each movement and our final balance after every movement that we have made. So I'm going to go ahead and click log out because here you can see the bank. And I'm going to go to register again because that way you'll see that if I don't write anything, the bank program will automatically say that this format is invalid, so we must write some kind of email, we must write some kind of username, and once again, if I just erase every single field, we see that the bank will not validate this information. Therefore, we must write a field, we must enter a field. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new username. I'm going to call him, let's call him Mark Smith. Email mark@gmail.com. Username can be Mark Smith. And the password, we're going to choose an easy one once again, and we're going to click submit. And once again, we are back in the home page, Jose's Bank, where we can see the logo, and we can start the process all over again. So that's pretty much what I have, and let me know what you guys think.